Jeonju is located in Foshan Nanpai. Foshan City has a good reputation as a hometown of aluminium. We are professional manufacturer of aluminium alloy casting equipment and consumable, like melting furnace, holding furnace, regenerative furnace system, homogenized furnace, refining flux, Dross agent, melt treatment agent. There are for aluminium refining flux grade 4. Different requirement of refining level of the molten metal. We have two type of packing, that is the carton box packaging and plastic bag packaging. Please give us a like and follow our channel.